This video will be showing you how to run FlashCut along with your Boss Pro table with the Sync Power Max power unit. So we'll begin our video starting out here in CAD. We'll go over some of the functions, some of the drawings. We'll begin with loading drawings. FlashCut has two options. By clicking File, you can choose to open or save a CAD CAM file. If you would like to save a DXF, you will go to Export and to Export DXF. To load a DXF, you'll go to DXF Import and to Browse and then search for your file. That'll be followed with the check mark. If you'd like to import just a drawing to have traced, we'll go to our Import Silhouette, select Import Silhouette, browse for a file, select it, allow the progress bar to load. You can see here the gray is our drawing and it's been traced and ready for cut. You can adjust the intensity threshold, segmentation quality, and detail level to get the desired results. And when ready, always hit the Accept button. After bringing your drawing in, it may be necessary to scale the drawing. We'll do this by selecting the whole drawing. Our scaling is down in the lower left-hand corner. If we would like to scale it, we will need to lock the padlock, and then we'll just simply put in the desired size, which will auto scale it. If you'd like to just enter one size or manually enter in both sizes, having the padlock unlocked will allow you to do that. Sometimes it'll be necessary to do a positive and negative. That is done here on the feature type. Simply checking between these two boxes will change it from a positive to a negative. This will also flip your lead-ins, lead-outs, and your tool paths to opposite sides of the line. In the Create section, you'll have all your miscellaneous options, drawing circles, triangles, rectangles. You can also put in text. In this example, we will bring in a square, come over here. X offset and Y offset will be your size, so we'll go 4 inches by 4 inches. Hit the check button, and you can see our part is made 4 inches by 4 inches. If you'd like to add features into your part, say in this case we'll put 4 holes 1 inch down. This can be attained by going to the offsets. Select the lines that you would like to offset. Click on the offset. In this case we'll go 1 inch. If I'd like to switch that around, I can go to reverse, click on our check mark, select our circle, put a diameter of 0.5, To exit out of the selected tool, simply hit Escape. And here we'll just drag across and delete our offset lines, and we'll have our 4-hole feature into our square. If I'd like to measure this just to check, I'll go to my ruler, and you'll see here my holes are offset 1 inch by 1 inch. Hitting Escape to exit out of the ruler, and we'll have our part. We can also adjust the edges of this square, simply coming up to the corner shift by setting our radius or our angle. Again, I'll click on the lines that I'd want to do. 45-degree angle. Just like so. If my table is equipped with a scribe, I can select any of the holes, any of the lines that I want. Cut elements is the plasma. Mark elements will be the scribe. And you can see my dotted line symbolizes that this will be a scribed line. The same drawing can also be obtained by using construction lines. Simply select for construction down on the bottom of your tool. And by either using the grid or entering in the length of your line. Simply create your part. Create a simple reference line. Then you can use your offsets to edit. Selecting 4 inches, check mark. This will get my 4-inch offset. Selecting my construction lines, offset, 1 inch. Now we have our 1-inch indentation. Flash Cut also comes with a shapes library. By clicking shapes, we'll bring up all the parts that are available. All these are editable and modifiable. Simply select the part that you would like. The parameters are listed up here, entered in here. And you can edit your part however you see fit. I can also scroll through sizes using the buttons here. Apply my changes and my part will be created. Sometimes your files will have errors in them, whether it be lines not connected, overstepping lines, anything in that area. A good rule of thumb to do on Flash Cut, we go up to the Fix All button and search for issues. Any issue that can be corrected will be circled in green. We'll just hit Fix All and you can see where my part drop out. This will correct any errors. We can come back and we'll have to check the spots that are in red that cannot be fixed and correct those items. To add text in your Flash Cut, simply go to the text icon. Here you can enter in your text that you would like to use. You can also change the font, alignment, sizes, and different aspects. Simply click where you would want your text to go and apply. To edit the text or make a bridge, you will select the text, explode it. From here we can edit our text. If we'd like to create a bridge so that the center of our E does not drop out, select the bridge tool. We'll come over, select the line where we would like that bridge to be, apply it, and you'll have an automatic bridge. Escape to clear the bridge tool. With our text selected, we'll come over and group it back together. Now our text is complete. To add a text to a radius, we'll select our text, accept, create our radius, escape, and now we'll select our text to radius. Notice the message screen will tell you exactly what to do. Select your text, right click, select the curve, right click. You can see our text is now inside. We can also flip our text to the other side of the line by simply clicking the arrows. We can change its orientation or change any of the alignment and vertical alignment here. From here you can go through, select your text, explode the text, and now you can create your bridges. Connecting the text to the radius can be achieved in one of two ways. One way to simply select the trim button, and you can trim the lines back and have it one with the radius. Another way to merge our text with our radius would be with the Weld Tool. We'll select our text, explode it, set it in the lines, group our text back together. You can see it's all one, and we'll select our Weld Tool, and by simply right clicking we'll merge that all together and we'll apply that. Now I can come in with my bridge tool and bridge my E. When dealing with multiple layers on a drawing, in order to send those over to CAM to have a toolpath written, all layers will need to be merged into one layer. You can see right now we have two layers, layer 1 and layer 2. These layers are not merged, and you can tell this by the grayed out area in the center. To merge those layers, I'll simply select my whole drawing and select any one of these layers to merge them together. Now you can see layer 0, layer 1 are grayed out, everything is merged into layer 2. To move from CAD to CAM, we'll just select the arrow key and transfer our file over to CAM.